Hi friends, I am Anirudh from Tech to Touch. In this video, I will show you useful Vivo V17 camera tips and tricks. Let's get started. This is the default camera interface. To switch to telephoto lens, tap on this toggle here. This is the 2x zoom. It also has a 10x digital zoom. You can pinch to zoom up to 10x or press on this toggle and slide it to zoom in or zoom out. This phone has wide angle lens. To switch to wide angle lens, we have toggle here. Tap on this and select ultra wide angle. Now we are using ultra wide angle camera. To take macro shots, you can select super macro from here. Now we can take macro shots. To take background blur photos, first click on this button and select bokeh mode. Now you can take pictures with background blur. You can set the amount of background blur here. You have the option to change the background blur even after taking the portrait shots. Next one is night mode. It will help to take a better picture in low lighting condition. Night mode is available for the front camera as well. Vivo V17 has 48 megapixel camera. However, by default it takes 12 megapixel picture. To take 48 megapixel picture, go to more and select 48 MP. Now it will take pictures in 48 megapixel. This phone provides the option to save photos in RAW format. To enable it, go to settings, professional functions and enable 48 MP RAW plus JPEG. If you want to take pictures in Pro mode, then go to More and select Pro. Here you can change ISO, exposure, shutter speed, white balance, manual focus, etc. Now let us have a quick look into some of the gestures. For that, go to Settings, Shutter. First one is Touch. If you enable this, tap on the subject, it will automatically adjust the focus and take the picture. Next one is Voice. For that, say cheese. It will take the photo. The last one is a palm. If you enable this, if you show your palm like this, it will take the photo. For taking selfies, it is useful. Coming to video recording, you can switch between the telephoto lens and regular lens with this toggle button. You can switch to wide angle lens by clicking here. If you want to change video recording resolution, go to settings and tap video resolution and select the one you want. You can change the frame rate here. If you want to take slow motion videos, go to More and select this SLO-MO option. That's it for this video on Vivo V17 camera tips and tricks. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.